Ever wondered how hackers manage to stay completely invisible online? It's not magic, it's a combination of powerful tools and techniques. One of the main tools they use is Tor, a network that routes their internet traffic through multiple layers of encryption. Imagine sending your data through a maze, where each twist and turn adds a new layer of protection. This method, known as onion routing, makes it nearly impossible to trace their true location or identity. The data is encrypted multiple times, and at each relay point, one layer of encryption is peeled away, ensuring that even if someone tries to monitor the traffic, they can't pinpoint where it started. But it doesn't stop there. Hackers also use IP rotation to stay undetected. By constantly changing their IP address, they make it incredibly difficult for anyone to track their movements online. They can hop between different exit nodes in the Tor network, which changes their IP with every new connection. This technique helps them avoid detection, especially when they're attempting activities that could be flagged by systems or security measures. With each new IP address, their digital footprint becomes harder to trace, allowing them to operate under the radar. This combination of encryption, routing, and IP rotation creates an almost impenetrable shield of anonymity, making hackers nearly impossible to track in the vast digital landscape. These methods are so effective that they are not just used by hackers, but also by privacy-conscious individuals who want to protect their data online. If you're fascinated by the world of cybersecurity and want to learn more about how hackers operate, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos, and drop a like if you found this information useful.